Hi everyone, welcome back to Shalu Verma classes. In today's video, I'll show you how to create dynamic named ranges using the offset function, perfect for automating your reports and dashboards. Here's our sales data. We want to create a named range for the sales column that expands automatically as new data is added. Go to the Formulas tab and open Name Manager. Click New and enter a name like Dynamic Sales. In the formula field, type the function shown on your screen. This creates a range that adjusts based on the number of entries. To test it, use the formula shown on screen. It sums all sales dynamically. Add a new entry, and you'll see the formula update automatically. That's it for dynamic named ranges with offset. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes for more tutorials.